In this problem, you have to find out an odd pair out of these four pairs, which are 18, 108, 42, 132, 22, 112, and 26, 156. To solve this kind of question, you must find a pattern which satisfies these pairs. So, from here in the first pair, we can see 18 6 times is 108 and 26 6 times is 156. However, 42 6 times is 252 and 22 6 times is 132. So, this 6 time relation is satisfied by 1 and D. However, we are left with two options B and C who are not satisfying this pattern. So, we must try another pattern. Now, take a close look on the first two digits 1 0. So, 1 plus 0 equals to 1 and remaining 8. So 1 plus 3 is 4, remaining 2. 1 plus 1 is 2, remaining 2. 1 plus 5 shall be 6 and 6. So from this pattern of adding first two digits and keeping the remaining number, it's satisfied by A, B and C. However, the option D is not satisfying this pattern. So this pair is the odd one pair out of these pairs. So this is our answer.